Hey guys, I'm going to show you what I do to rib tips once I'm done trimming them from spare ribs. This is going to be my take on carnitas. And I start by using 3 serrano chiles cut in half, seeds included. And then I use about 8 or 9 smashed garlic cloves. I use half an onion and chili flakes. Also, this is just salt and pepper, kosher salt and coarse black pepper. So I'm going to be using a cast iron Dutch oven, and it's been preheating for about half an hour on medium-high heat. And that's critical because I want to get as much of this meat seared as possible. Now, I'm not using no oil and I'm not using anything in there. It's going to be just the meat and the cast iron. And it's going to be critical to keep this meat moving because it's going to want to burn real quick. So check this out. Now, in case you didn't notice, I have not seasoned this meat yet. I'm going to wait till I get some kind of a sear on this, and then I'll start seasoning it and adding all the rest of the ingredients. And this meat sears up very quick in this cast iron. Check this out. That looks good, huh? Come on, we got to keep this moving. The meat really wants to stick to the cast iron, so you got to keep it moving. And no worries, because look, it still sears really well. Check that out. All right, looking good. Like it. Just keep it moving and then we'll be all right. And once it starts to get really watery and we're not going to get any more sear, that's when you can season the meat and add the ingredients. All right, we're at that point now. We can season it and we can add the ingredients. So let's do it. Hour and a half later now, and I've been coming back periodically just to stir it, just to make sure it's not burning or anything like that, checking up on it. And this is what it looks like right now. Awesome. Yummy. Alright guys, this is done. Let me show you what we got here. This has been cooking in its own juices, in its own oil. So essentially what we've done is make carnitas out of rib tips. And these are incredible. How do I know? Because when you guys weren't looking, I snuck a little taste. And I'm going to tell you right now, it doesn't need salt, pepper, or anything at this point. It is exactly the way it should taste to me. And it is super duper hot, super duper tasty. Oh my god. Holy crap. That, man, that is some bomb carnitas right here. That is some bomb carnitas. Let me tell you something. Let me get you a nice good little piece. Take a look at that. Take a look at that. Now, you can do anything to it at this point. You can make tacos. You can make burritos. You can eat it as is. Or you can add some sauce to it and go a step further. I love adding Asian zing to this, which you can find at Buffalo Wild Wings. That stuff is good, but I'm thinking I'm gonna enjoy it just the way it is. This thing is amazing. All right, hopefully you guys can see that better. And I gotta get someone else in on this. I gotta get my fiance to come and taste this. She's over there on her computer, quote unquote, working. But my love, You got a second? I need you to taste something. I need you. Let's see. Let's get a look at this piece right here. Look at that. Mama, I need you to taste this and tell me what you think and what does it taste like and how's the seasoning and all kinds of stuff. Blow on it because that thing is hot. That's a good sign. I like
That's good.
Okay, okay. Is it tender? Juicy? Does it need salt and pepper or anything like that? No?
It's perfect.
What does it taste like to you?
Like carnitas.
Ay, way! That's what's up!
It's delicious.
But these are made out of rib tips. Alright, you guys. This is just my little take on carnitas with rib tips. And it's really simple to do. I let it cook in its own fat. I just on very high heat. Well, medium high. I put it in a Dutch oven, sear it as fast as I can to get as much as I can seared, and then I season it, and then I add the onions and the garlic and the serrano chiles, and then I let it do its thing. I periodically check on it to stir it, and that's it. And this is what you end up with. That hurts, because that burns. That's good. Ah, yikes. That's my piece though. It's coming over here. My God. Let me just say thank you to my beautiful taste tester over there. Thanks, love. And thank you guys for watching this. If you like what you see, hit that like. If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe. We got a lot of videos coming your way. So, see you guys next time.